How to find reviews on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find reviews on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find settings and go down again. Here you will find activity log. Click on it and click interactions, and here you will find reviews. Click on it, and as you see here you can find your reviews on Facebook Lite. And if you want to delete anything here, just select it and click delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.